Today I'll show you how to create a group chat in Bereal Realgroups. Before we begin, there's one important thing to understand. Bereal calls this feature Realgroups. Bereal's own help center and site describe Realgroups as a private group space where you can share Bereals and chat with a selected group of friends, and group admins can control special group notifications. Bereal also notes that Realgroups Bereals do not count toward your normal streaks. To get started, open the Bereal app and look for the Realgroups area from your main feed. Bereal's product page describes Realgroups as Bereal's version of group chat, built around sharing private Bereals with a smaller circle. On current versions of the app, this usually appears as a Realgroups banner, group area, or create option from the home feed. Now create the group. Choose the option to create a group, then add the friends you want in that Real group. After that, give the group a name, and if the app offers it, customize the group appearance, such as the emoji or icon. Public guides that match the current feature rollout describe this as the normal create group flow, and BeReal's own help center confirms that once the group exists, it has a group chat and settings area controlled by the admin. Once the group is created, you can start chatting inside it and sharing BeReals privately with that group. BeReal's site describes Real Groups as a place to share moments with your closest circle before, during, and after events. An outside reporting on the launch also describes Real Groups as including group chat and private BeReal sharing. Here's something important if you create the group yourself. BeReal says the admin controls the Real Group notification settings. From the group chat, tap the three-dot menu in the top right, then tap Notifications and choose how often the group gets its special "It's time to BeReal" notification. BeReal also says only the admin can manually trigger that notification, and only once per day. One more thing to remember is that Real Groups are meant to stay small and selective. BeReal related reporting says users can only be members of a limited number of Real Groups at a time, which matches the feature's focus on closer groups rather than large public communities. So, in simple terms, open BeReal, go to the Real Groups area, create a group, add your friends, name the group, and start chatting. If you're the admin, you can also manage the group's special BeReal notification settings from the three-dot menu in the chat. And that's how to create a group chat in BeReal Real Groups. Hope the tutorial was helpful, subscribe to my channel, and see you in the next video.